Hey kindergarten, today during our number talks we're going to do a story math problem. And we are going to choose a strategy and solve it together, but I will need your help to do this. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and read the math story problem to you, and then we will begin to solve it. Ben has $10. How much money does Ben have? $10. Nice. He went to Family Dollar and spent $6 on chips. How much money does Ben still have? So how much money did Ben spend on chips? $6, you're right. So Ben had $10 and he spent 6 of the dollars on some chips. And the question is, how much money does Ben still have? So let's go ahead and start with our math story problem and figure out what important information that we need to circle. Ben has $10. What in that sentence should I circle? 10. Yeah, because Ben has $10. So I'm going to go ahead and circle the $10 that Ben has. I'm going to go to the next sentence. He went to Family Dollar and spent $6 on chips. So, what important information do I need to know from that sentence? If you said $6, you're right. Yeah, Ben spent $6 on some chips. So, the question is, which we are going to underline the question, how much money does Ben still have? How much money does Ben still have? He started out with 10. He spent $6 on chips. How much is left? All right. Now we are going to decide on a strategy. So today's strategy, we are going to use a 10 frame. Yes, because 10 frames are another great tool that we've been practicing that we can use to solve this problem. So I'm going to go ahead and write strategy 10 frames. All right, I've got my handy dandy 10 frame right here. Just to check, let's go ahead and count the squares to make sure that there are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 squares. So, question is, what do I need to do first? If you said put 10 dots in the 10 frame because Ben has $10, you're correct. Please help me count the $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. So we've got our 10 dots, right? Our 10 dots represent the $10 that Ben has. And we've got to figure out, how much money did Ben spend on chips? 6. So do I need to add 6 more dollars up here? No, because no one gave him 6 more dollars. What did he do? He spent it. So the $6 went away. So if something goes away, that means I need to take away. So I'm going to take away $6 or 6 dots. Please help me count the $6 that we need to take away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the question is, how much money does Ben still have? Oh, I don't know. What should I do? Oh, did you just tell me to count the dots that are left? Oh, you're right, because those are the dollars that Ben still has. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ben still has $4. I'm going to go ahead and write my answer. 4 is my answer. Now, there's an equation that we need to write. And our equation will look like this. So Ben had how much money to start out with? 10. So we started out with $10. That was our total. Our total was $10. That's what he had when he went to the store. But of course, when he got to Family Dollar, he had to go shopping for some yummy chips. So we had to take away 6 of those dollars because he spent it. Take away. Take away means minus or subtract. So 10 minus the $6 he spent on the chips equals how many are left? 4. But we need to label our answer because it's for what? For phones? For erasers? For what? $4. So I'm going to go ahead and write $4. Ben still had $4. So the first thing we did was we read our story. Then we found all the important information and we underlined the question. Next, we had picked out our strategy. And then we showed our strategy, right? Now, we need to do our explanation of exactly what we did to solve our problems. So, what was the first thing that we did? Yep, we read our problem. So, I'm going to go ahead and write. First, we read the problem. After that, transition word. After that, what did we do? Yeah, we found the important information and we underlined the question. So, I'm going to write, after that, we found the important information and underlined the question so that we knew what was being asked of us. Next, what did we do? After we did read it, found the important information, underlined the question, what did we do? Yeah. Next, we picked a strategy. And what was our strategy? 10 frames. So, all right, next, we chose a strategy, and that was the 10 frame. Then we had to show our work. So then, what did we do? Then we put 10 dots in the 10 frame, and we took away how many? 6, because that's what he spent. So, then we put 10 dots in the 10 frame and took 6 dots away for the $6 he spent. After we did that, we solved our problem, right? We found that there were $4 left. We found there were $4 left. And to show that, let's show our equation. $10 that he started out with at the groceries at Family Dollar. Then he went and he spent $6. Those $6 went away. So we've got to do take away minus 6 equals $4 left. Yes, nice work. 10 minus 6 equals $4. 10 minus 6 equals $4. That's exactly what we showed up there in our strategy. Nice work today. Thanks for helping me.